Do you want to upload photos on the DeepSeek app? You can upload images on DeepSeek with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To upload photos on DeepSeek. First, open the DeepSeek app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are in the DeepSeek app, tap the plus icon located below the text input box. Here, you will see different options like cameras, images, and documents. To upload a picture from your device gallery, tap on the image icon. Now, you will see the images from your device gallery. Scroll down and choose the desired photo. Once uploaded, type what you want to do with this picture in the message box and tap the send button. Now, DeepSeek provides the result of what you are asking.